I'm so glad you could join me. Today we are making at home Ossobuco. As the weather's starting to, it getting colder days and it's actually a gorgeous day out there today. Have a look where my outside, the sun's shining. It's absolutely gorgeous, but it's still quite chilly inside. And so I've decided to make Ossobuco for lunch. My mum's way. I've got a couple of different things that I put in myself, different ingredients, but the basic is my mother Serena's way. I remember my mum always making it when it was winter. It was a bit chilly, but it was not so cold yet. So more in the autumn weather. As we progress and get into the winter weather, you want more stews. You want more warmer